their iPad? Yeah.
And that's what I've gone to Lucy.
I know. What? So my son nicked it.
From that day, that was all the people that I spoke to.
So why is Emily saying Fiona Phoenix nicked her iPad? I fucking never took anything from you that you had. Never, ever. I even fucking helped you look for it. Did I not? Oh, so are you saying my kid nicked it or not?
I had to go and fucking do all the bits that I've done. And that's done.
What bits that you fucking done? What? Promise you now, what? You're lucky that you smashed. I promise you now. Darling, I promise you now, don't. I'm not in the fucking mood, you cunt. What do you think? Well done. Just don't fucking come and say that my kid